Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Chaucer Classes. My dear students, today I have came with the very important topic about the exam preparation. Here most of the students have this doubt, and oftenly I am seeing in my surrounding some information is viral. What is that? And also most of the students have this doubt. That is nothing but here I have mentioned few points. So what exactly the students are facing, and most of the students have this doubt in their mind. So is studying model papers are important? Next, can we pass just by studying these model papers? Third, how much we can score by studying these papers? Next, what should I do if I want to pass in the exam? So this is the most important points what is circulating in the minds of the students. So my dear students, for this all thing I can tell only one solution. Okay, for this all the questions, for the first three questions I can tell you that from my end the answer is no. The answer is no. So what exactly this means? What you mean to say no? I'll give with the proof, childrens. Because whatever we give directly, we are into the field to give you the direct points and direct guidelines. We don't want to hesitate, or we don't want to make the children to follow the wrong path. And we always suggest the student to follow the right path and also to score the very good marks in the upcoming board exam. Always we believe in shortcuts, we believe in the logics, we believe in the self-confidence, we believe in the motivation, as well the hard work and efforts. For these things, I will tell you one important topic. So please focus on these things, what I mean to say. Here the question was, as I can show you, is studying model papers are important? Children, for this specific question, I can tell you yes. For this specific question, I can tell you the answer is yes. Studying model papers are important. Okay, what you are going to study, that is nothing but studying the model papers. Studying the model papers are important, but you can't expect the same questions. You can't expect the same questions in your board exam, in your final board exam. I hope you have understood this point. Is this clear? Studying the model papers are important, but you can't expect the same questions in your board exam. Okay, because why I am targeting this line? Because I'll tell you the reason. I have seen most of the schools as well the teachers, they are focusing on only model papers. They are focusing only on model papers. They are conducting preparatory exams, they are conducting tests, they are conducting so and so, they are taking the revisions. Only they are focusing on the model papers. My dear teachers and students, please make sure that studying the model papers is important. Okay, but that question only will come for the exam. I cannot give any guarantee for that. So please be aware of these points what I am suggesting you here, and what exactly I mean to say. I mean to say you here. I'll show you the proof also, no need to worry. Okay, here I mean to say that the model papers will just give us the guidelines. The model papers will give us just the guidelines how the final question paper will be. That's it. So what is the pattern of the question paper? For how many marks, how many questions will be asked in the exam? Only they are targeting the guidelines. and they are targeting the student to understand the way of question paper, the procedure of the question paper, how much easy contents will be there, how much application level questions will be there. In case if they give you any application level question, how could be that question, in what form that question will be. Just they are suggesting you. Model papers are nothing but suggestion. They are suggesting you people, children. That's it. That is not your final question paper. Model paper is not equal to your final question paper. Remember this. Model paper is different and final board exam question paper is different. Okay. You can expect few questions. I cannot tell all. Only few questions. Chances are like 2 to 5%. Chances are like 2 to 5% you can expect the questions from the model papers. Understood? I mean to say the same question, the same how they have asked in the model paper, same question it can revert in your final board paper. I not only 2 to 5 you can expect, but I'm not sure about it how much percentage you can expect the questions for your final paper. Understood? But please don't believe your model paper is equal to your final paper. Model paper is just a suggestion paper. It's just giving you the guidelines. It just want to give you the procedure, how will be the final exam question paper, how will be the question paper of board exam, but it is not final board exam question paper. Okay, so please don't only depend on your model papers and you do your revision, because I have seen many students, I can see even in my YouTube channel Shah Sir classes. Okay, even here also I can see many students just they are targeting only model papers. They are not targeting the classwork, they are not targeting the textbook, they are not targeting the notes, they are not targeting the study materials, only they are targeting model papers. And they are oftenly asking me the question, sir, if I study model papers, is it sufficient, sir? I can pass the exam. No, children, only by studying the model papers you cannot pass your final board exam. You cannot pass your final board exam. If you want to pass your final board exam, you have to go through your textbook, you have to go through the notes, you have to go through the supplement materials, that is nothing but extra materials, and also you have to solve some number of question papers. You have to solve few question papers, sample papers, and so on. So this will give you the guarantee that you are going to pass in the exam, you are going to score in the final board exam. Okay, let me see few analytics. Let me analyze few things. Okay, regarding how and how much percentage. Now today I am targeting science paper. Okay, today I am targeting science paper. So please remember, every paper has different approach. How you are going to study maths, you cannot study in the same way for science. How you study science, in the same way you cannot study for social. Every subject, every language has its own approach. Okay, according to that only you have to perform, and according to that only you need to study. The way of studying maths is different than science, and again it is different than social. Every subject it has its own okay way of understanding and also studying. Okay, let's see few points. Yes, observe your students. I am just taking one small example of heredity and evolution. Okay, in this heredity and evolution, children's, I have seen one of the student was asking me, sir, can you please suggest me the before 10 years question papers. Children's, I can tell you that your question paper, I mean your syllabus has got changed. Okay, your syllabus, it has got changed in the academic year 2019. Okay, till 2018 we were following one scheme, that now that is called as old scheme. Now you people are under new scheme. Now you people are studying NCERT textbooks. Okay, like how the CBSE students are studying the syllabus, same textbook even we are also following. Karnataka State Board is also following the same pattern. I mean to say the same textbook is been followed, but the approach is different. I mean the examination procedure is different, marks evaluation is different. Understood? So please try to understand, from 2019 our syllabus has got changed and we are following the NCERT textbook, that is called as NCERT Science. See children, so this is the question which has appeared in the model paper. Okay, as you can see, this is model question paper 1, as the syllabus has got changed in the year 2019, the department, the KSEB, has released the model paper. As you can see in this, for model question paper 1, the question was identify the correct pair of analogous organs among the following. So they have given, I will go in deep later on, but just I want to suggest you how many questions has repeating in every year, and how many questions from the model paper is been asked in the final board exam. Okay, for that I am targeting that area. As you can see, first question and 4 options has been given here. In second question in the model paper 1, the question was what are fossils? What are fossils? Got it? And next we can see question number 3. Here this question was asked for 4 mark. That is, there was choice here. Option A was explain the process of sex determination in human beings. This is one question. Option B, why are the small number of surviving tigers a cause of worry from the point of view of genetics? So this was the question. Or option A, traits acquired during the lifetime of an individual are not inherited. Why? Option B, how do Mendel's experiments show that the traits are inherited independently? Explain. So these are the questions was appeared in the model papers. Now we can see the question what it has appeared in final board exam paper, that is April 2019. In April 2019, for the multiple choice question, the question was appeared like this. A pure dominant pea plant producing round yellow seeds is crossed with pure recessive pea plant producing wrinkled green seeds. The number of plants bearing round green seeds in the F1 generation of the Mendel's experiment is 0139. As you can see, in model paper what was the question, and even in the final board exam paper what is the question. And question number 5, we can see what are fossils. Again this question has asked in April 2019. This question has repeated from the model paper. Okay. Next question we can see for 3 marks. This question has appeared for 3 marks, like growth of thread-like structures along with the gradual spoilage of tomato can be observed when the cut of tomato is kept aside for 4 days. Interpret the causes for this change. You can see somewhat like application level he has asked the question here. Again you can see question number 7 in 19. The question was write the differences between homologous organs and analogous organs. Option 2, write the differences between sex chromosomes of man and sex chromosomes of woman. Option 3, sex of a child is determined by the father. How? Now you can just compare the model papers questions and the questions which was appeared in the final board exam. Okay, let me come back to June. June series. Here the question was appeared in June 2019. As you can see, observe the table which shows the contrast forms of pea plants, color of the seed, position of the flower. They have given color of the seed and position of the flower. In this they are asking you the genetic makeup with green seed and terminal flowers is indicated as. They are asking you to cross between this and what is the final result they are asking you to write. Got it? Now you can see the model paper and your April paper. Now you can see June paper. Can you find any difference between all these papers? Right? Can we find any difference? Or it is same? Or the same question is repeating over here? Now we can see question number 9, that is in June 2019. The question is, how does relative method help to determine the age of fossils? Experiences of an individual during its lifetime cannot direct evolution. Why? Next, chromosomes inherited from the father determine the sex of a child. Explain. So we can see these are the questions were appeared in the final board exam as well in the supplementary board exam of the year 2019. Now let me see 2020. Now in 2020 the question was, as you can see, the gene for brown colored hair is recessive. That of gene of black colored hair. What is the hair color of a person who has inherited a gene for brown colored hair from mother and black colored hair from father? This question has appeared in 2020. Next, question number 11, we can see in 2020, the plant bearing round yellow colored RRYY seed are self-pollinated with the same plant. Represent the result obtained in the F2 generation of dihybrid cross with the help of a checkerboard. Mention the varieties of plants obtained in F2 generation. Or, what is evolution? Explain the 3 evidences for evolution. Now in supplementary 2020, the question was, explain the 2 methods to estimate the age of fossils. to estimate the age of fossils. Next 13. Mendel crossed plants bearing red flowers RR with the plants bearing white flowers RR and produced progeny from them. The plants with red flowers obtained in F1 generation were different from the plants with red flowers of parental generation. Why? Explain the reasons. So this question has appeared in supplementary 2020. Okay. As you can see, children, the model paper question of 19. Okay, and then you can see the final paper of April and June, and again 2020 the final paper and supplementary paper. Children's model paper they will release only when the syllabus it has got changed. Only then the model papers will be issued. Is this clear? So this year they have released the model paper for the purpose because syllabus it has reduced. I mean to say the syllabus has modified. For that reason they have released the model paper. Okay. So children, now what you are supposed to do, I'll let you know. I hope you people have got the difference, right? You people have got the difference between your annual paper, model paper, annual paper, as well your supplementary paper. How was the questions? How the questions were interrelated with each other, right? So this is what actually I just wanted to tell you people. And here I just like to tell one more thing. I am not telling you people to not to study model papers. You need to study. I am not telling you people like not to study the model papers. You have to study, but please don't believe like if we study model papers we will get through in the exam and we can pass in the exam. Children, maybe this year as the syllabus has got reduced and even as per the situation, the present situation, you may get the questions. I am not telling that you may not get the questions. You may get, but you should not be in the belief, you should not be in the state that if I study this much I will pass in the exam. So please remove those things from your mind. Okay, and I want you need to focus each and everything right from the beginning till the last. Okay, model papers are just the structured papers, but it is not your final paper. Again I am repeating this. Got my point? And don't believe if I study model papers I will complete my revision, I will complete my notes easily, I will pass in the final exam. No, not at all, children. You can keep model paper as your just sample reference paper, nothing else. Got my point? So this is what actually I just wanted to tell you people. I hope this concept is clear to you all, and I can show you still more number of papers also and even the chapters. So we have made these all concepts. Okay, and one more thing I just like to tell you that actually the team of Evershine Coaching Center, that is ESCC, we are a team. We want to give you the genuine information and we want to make the students to follow the right path and the right state. That is what actually we teach in our academy, in our institute. Got my point? So if any students are interested to join for our coaching classes for the next academic year 2021-2022, you are most welcome. In the below description we have given the details of our institute and the branches in Bangalore, Tandere Road and Shivaji Nagar. If any students are interested to join for our regular coaching classes, you can please let us know. We will get back to you with the special discounts and the offers. We conduct the classes from class 6 to class 12, Karnataka State Board, CBSE Board and even ICSE Board. Is this clear? I hope the concepts are all clear to you all. And in our channel we have updated many videos, as you can see. Please try to use those videos for your exam preparation. If you find any doubts, you can comment us in the below description, in the below box. As you can see the comment box, you can let us know. We will get back to you. We will revert the best possible solution to you. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes and click the bell icon, and also intimate your juniors, the one who wants to promote for 10th standard this year, and your classmates, your relatives, friends, everyone to subscribe to our channel and utilize the opportunity to learn with Shah Faisal sir. Thank you. Keep watching. If you like this video, click the like button, and as much as possible try to share this video with your all friends and your classmates, because let everyone understand now what exactly and how exactly they need to study for the upcoming board exam and score a very good marks.